Hello, my name is Joy Rosenquist and I'm the Civil Team Manager here at Goyette & Associates. Our team approach is twofold. First, we provide proactive, sound legal advice, and second, we are experienced litigators backed up with 20 years of collective expertise in California and federal courts. We don't consider ourselves a traditional firm. We are a business. Our product is dispensing sound legal advice. We have experts in nearly all business and employment law areas, ranging from employment litigation, business planning, and labor law. Goyette & Associates is different from the rest because, first and foremost, we return phone calls. There's no voicemail here. You'll also get a response to your email within 24 hours. While we are a progressive firm, we have retained our traditional values. Another thing that sets us apart is that when you call our office to receive legal advice, you're not going to get the response, "Well, it depends," which is the standard fare you'll get from other firms. You will receive a straightforward legal response to your question backed up by 20 years of collective legal expertise. Alternative billing is something we're very proud of here at Goyette & Associates. We're in this economy too. We're a business, and we understand that you don't want to purchase something which doesn't have value or which you feel like you're not receiving. Here at Goyette & Associates, we have alternative structures to meet your needs. These types of structures are gaining ground. According to a recent 2009 survey of law departments in the area, about 50% of departments are offering alternative billing. While the billable hour has been the old mold for so long, it's old for a reason, and it's time to innovate. For this reason, Goyette & Associates does offer several different structures to meet your business's needs. At Goyette & Associates, you will receive what you need, not what your attorney wants to charge you. Goyette & Associates provides employment law expertise to individuals and companies who are constantly facing a barrage of new legislation from our very active legislature here in California. We provide legal advice based on new laws that will affect you and your industry. We handle everything from medical and pregnancy leaves to employee handbooks to advice on overtime legislation. At Goyette & Associates, you will receive the advice to help you remain in control of your business. If you're thinking of leaving your company and forming a competing one, or starting a business from scratch, you need to contact legal advice to get sound advice on what you can and should do. There are a myriad of California laws that apply to you in this situation. They govern everything from who you can hire, who can you solicit from your former employer, and most importantly, what kind of information or data can you take with you when you leave your former employer? At Goyette & Associates, we have 20 years of collective legal expertise to help you in this situation. You have created an accomplishment. Let us insulate it from liability for you. The day-to-day questions are often most important. At Goyette & Associates, you can call or email with any question that you need a response to. At Goyette & Associates, we provide sound legal advice based on what you can do, not just a list of things to avoid. It's often the questions that, had an individual or an employer not called me, could have landed themselves in a lot of trouble. At Goyette & Associates, we pride ourselves on responding to these day-to-day questions to give you advice on what you can do. Goyette & Associates provides labor and employment law expertise to out-of-state businesses. If you are out of state, often you are the company that is the hardest hit here in California when you're not familiar with California's labor and employment laws. Here at Goyette & Associates, we provide sound legal expertise to prevent you from getting in that kind of trouble. Although you may have an in-house human resources or attorney available out of state at your company, you need a California-based labor and employment attorney. Although they may be the experts in your business or in the out-of-state law that applies to your company, a California-based labor and employment attorney, such as Goyette & Associates, are experts in California law. My most important function as an employment litigation attorney is education and training. Education is the best preventative medicine. At Goyette & Associates, we train and educate our clients to avoid litigation risk. We provide sexual harassment training and compliance certificates under the government code. Another function that Goyette & Associates provides is keeping you updated of legal requirements that are new in your legal industry. It is often the question that a client forgot to ask or didn't think to ask or wasn't even aware of that could have landed them in trouble in instituting a new policy. At Goyette & Associates, we will keep you up to date on all legislation affecting your business. If you think you have a lawsuit, or you've recently been sued, or you feel you're about to be sued, the first step is to contact our firm to obtain preventative advice. At Goyette & Associates, we have 20 years of collective litigation expertise in California and federal court on both sides of the aisle. Often you will want to retain an attorney who has plaintiffs' and defendants' experience, so they're able to anticipate the other side's moves. At Goyette & Associates, we love what we do, and it shows in our zealous advocacy.